episode, Neil from Sew the Distance. Thank you for joining me today for day 18 of Jenny's countdown to Christmas. We're gonna get right into it today. This is today's item. I talked yesterday about how it's a little ripped and boogered up. Okay, here we go. Open it up. I was right, there's a pattern. Look at that one. Oh, you know what? I used my extra pieces for my table runner. And it looks like we used the same fabrics. Whoopsie. All right, I'll have to make it do with some other fabrics because trust me, I have a lot of fabric. Okay, what else is in here? A template. And then some So Light double-sided fusible fleece pre-cut hexagons. Oh my goodness, they're pre-cut. Look at them. And the hexagon, like an elongated hexagon piece. Ooh! Oh, I'm so making this. Oh, I can make it in vintage fabrics. I have a ton of vintage fabrics. All right. Oh, it's so pretty. There's two versions, just like the tote bag. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, what am I gonna use to make this? All right. I love this. This is awesome. I love projects. I love all of this. Okay, so before we get to the totals, we're going to guess tomorrow's, which I thought I laid it out and I don't. I have been so busy. I haven't had a second to sew and I have like all my gift wraps sitting here from the last few days. So let me grab it. Okay, I have it. I'm not going to show it to you yet because we're going to have a warning. We're going to wait for a minute to give you a chance to move ahead, whatever. Okay? All right, I'm going to lift it up. Oh, what is this? All right. I feel like I should be like, what was it? Johnny Carson used to put it to his head. What was it? The something magnificent? It's a monthly organizer. I don't know. He used to do something. Remember that? Okay. Boy, I'm dating myself now, right? All right. It feels, okay, there's something here like a pencil. There are two pencils. I can feel them, or two pens. Something. Maybe a sketchbook. Oh, that would be nice. Could be, graph paper. Wouldn't that be awesome? It definitely looks like the size of, you know, an 8.5 by 11 something. It's bendy. Can you hear that? It's definitely a book of some sort. There's a spine on it too. Can't wait to find out what this is. This has been so much fun. All right, let's go over some totals. All right, so the Roxanne glue stick, which I have somewhere here. Yep, Roxanne glue stick, which I'm sure we're gonna use for this project. And the turner tool. Now this turner tool does have little quilt blocks on it, which is really nice too. So I did up the price of this a little bit. These run all over the place from $3 to like $8. So I'm gonna land at $5 for this guy. And this was easy because this is right on their website for $7.75. It's actually on sale right now for $7.25 or something. That was the cheapest I could find this too, because on Amazon it was $9.99. At least for me. I know cookies play into that role. So that brings our total for yesterday's items to $12.75. And it brings our grand total, according to my estimations, to $251.15, meaning that we are $71.20 to the good of the box since I paid $179.95 for it. Again, if you want to see any of these totals, they're all on my website, on my blog. Check it out. I am thrilled with this box. How can they outdo themselves next year? I'm also thrilled with our project. What should I make? Look at that. Make a really cute wall hanging too. Maybe not a pillow. I don't know, but with some vintage fabrics. We'll see. I don't know if I can get to it. We're getting to the end, you know, getting to like the crunch time with the whole Christmas thing coming up here. So I don't know if I'll get it done, but I'll absolutely at least start it and get working with these things, which I've never worked with before. I've done some English paper piecing, but nothing with a foundation like this. I'm excited to try it, and I'll at least have something done to show you. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew. I will see you tomorrow, and yeah, have a great day. Bye.